guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island. I'm stuck with you guys, so we are always smiling. Yo, today's gonna be an epic day because we're going camping, as I said in the last video. Right now we go try to get some food, you see me? Hunt for some food and stuff like that. Yo, I'm excited. Portland is like one of the best parishes I've ever been to. When it comes down to nature, second to none. So you don't know, we have Russ over here, so big up the channel, no Russ.
Yeah man, big up yourself.
I'm mad thing, you see me? And some other bridgings there, something. Elite spear fishermen, see that? Yeah, up and running. We all know say a legend there, sir. You see me? Mad thing.
Yeah man, bad up spear fishing, bad up lifestyle.
Yeah, a bad thing. You see me? Yo, guys, pre-Raj. Yo. For the river. Problem. Duck feeds. How long you say them duck feeds, John?
13 years.
13 years and still kicking, right?
Strong.
A mad thing.
Yeah man, pop up and check we out.
Year old.
20,000 flat.
Yo, you guys can see river down there. This is just bliss, yo.
Here we have a go on. We have a go down here, so I walk on the banking side, go. You see me? Oh.
Yo, that's an incredibly deep pool just off there. Yo, check out the view, guys. Sick. Sick. Yeah, bro. Alright, guys, so, oh, that's some water right there. Alright guys, so we're basically by our dive location at the moment, and I was trying to fly my drone, but there's a no-fly zone and I can't be bothered with that. I want to go into the water really quick. So I was asking Ross right now, you know, what we actually have in the water to catch.
Well, you have different species. The species comprising, you have river mullet, you have here we have fine mudfish, and then here we have probably we see a jack occasionally, but you have one they call the drummer.
Drummer.
Yeah.
So you think we definitely should get something today?
Well,
no matter make you come down and starve, you know, cause
no man, not starve man. You don't know anything go more well, you know. I just luck, you know.
True that.
Yeah, and you create your own luck, so man, you just have to search hard.
True that. Alright, so I wanted to get a shot of this beautiful little rock island in the middle of this kind of like a lagoon, blue hole type of thing. It's sick. Yeah, but I recently got my own mask now and snorkel, so I'm gonna test that out really quick and see, you know, how well that works out. Have a fin coming in pretty soon. Yeah, and Raj is gonna build me my own special customized, what you call it, spear gun. So that's gonna be crazy. Get some practice on that and just have more adventures. So I'm gonna dive in right now. You say you not see much?
No, I don't think you know
Alright, man, I'm jumping. Alright guys, so we've been searching for quite a bit and a nice eel, whoa! Bro caught another eel. Oh, so we're going too. Oh, no. Oh, now I got my size on too. What? Yo, right here it's so freaking slimy, it's like a whole heap of algae on the rock. It's crazy. You see no fish out there? Not even one. So another eel. Jano. It's a river eel. Hold him up, you see the killer now? Oh, sick. Come on, turn it out of here. Slide it. Yeah. Oh, mad. You almost took a CE. Yeah, true. I'm going to CE now, they're fine. Slide it, bud. Fuck, man. So it's a more further up. And first, I'm not eating the food. So fast. Alright guys, so we're going to try to find another part further up to the river to see if we can get something else apart from an eel. I mean, I had eel before. It was pretty decent, but I'd prefer to get a fish, to be quite honest.
So ready again?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Almost the mudfish I see, and something spoiled.
Gone. Alright, so back at the next site. Oh man. These guys are here to fish. And I don't... Yeah. Yeah, it's small.
This one 2 times 18 size on this one.
One you can shoot him from up there.
Too far.
One, 2, 3. Slow moon.
2 finger on the trigger. 2 finger on the trigger.
You want to stick to your front. Yo, I wish you guys could be out here. I mean, apart from trying to get some food, like, bruh, it is.
Everyday lifestyle too, man. Just that too, you know, you have to survive and pay light bill and water.
So you fish every day, don't?
Yeah, man.
Why you mainly catch?
Like snapper, barra, Welshman, like lobster, conch.
I love to eat some lobster still, my type of style. That. So which, apart from lobster, which fish fetch the highest price? Barracuda?
Snapper.
Snapper?
$800
Pound.
Sometimes 1,000. See that truth and fish?
You can get one?
No!
No, Raj!
You get one.
Alright guys, so we just shift location again. There's not much fish in the water there, but oh, this water here is nice blue hole. Like Portland, full of the whole of the blue hole there, man.
What is that?
Are you wait? Oh, what the? Guys, that was good. That was really good. Alright, so we'll go head back down and presumably start out a little camping site thing, you know. As we're going to be camping for maybe 2 days. English, none Alright guys, so we'll get ready now for drive out and thing. You them then at the back, you know. You know what I'm saying?
Reverse.
I get it for drive out and thing, man. I'm gonna go jumping at the back, you know the vibes. Yeah people, so we're leaving out, going to the beach, you know. Nice hills view.
Keynote. Now on the post. Get up here, you. Hey, 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 hey. Skin up here, yeah. Hey. Up here, brother. Yo, it's a view in a youth. Where I come from, from bad road to good road to asphalt to main road. Me say me think I stick to it, me just see, you know. I put the volume. I put the volume, God. Nearly that shit on ya. Wait, so we can't go in a car. See free. See free. Yeah, we're not do that. I'll be out here to the right. Back main road again. Right, that's a real God. Before the chopper got to work. Before the chopper work.
Alright guys, so we're about to head down to the little camping spot. Really cool, really spectacular. It's just off the beach. Yo, you guys are going to look. Alright, let's go.
Eh?
No.
Two, yeah.
I record one.
Oh. I would say you have on your predator. No? Predator shot.
This one? You're right, it's part of the top one. Be like boy grassing, man. You're cool, man.
Oh yeah, this is it. Home, sweet home. Woo! Yeah, that's it, boy.